how to create an event on Favorited. You'll open up your Favorited account and select Profile. Towards the top of your profile page, you'll see where it says Schedule Event. You're going to click on that. Now, to schedule the event, you're going to give your event a title and a description. And then you're going to select in the drop-down boxes what type of live it is, whether it's chatting, music, gaming, or a battle, okay? And then you're going to add in any co-hosts that will be included or any guests that you will be having. And then you're going to select the date and time of the event. When you're scheduling this, you're going to put your own time zone in the event. And then you're going to select the duration, how long the event is supposed to last, and select the privacy, whether it's going to be public or an unlisted event. Click Create Event. You're all set. Hope this helps.